Thanks for joining me for a mindful moment. This practice helps us calm our minds and our bodies. So I'll invite you to get into a comfortable and relaxed position. You can close your eyes if you'd like, and we'll begin and end with a ding of the bell. Bring your attention to the sound of your breath, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. We're going to take 3 deep breaths together, and I want you to focus on the sound your breath makes as it leaves your mouth. 1. 2. 3. 'Now take a moment to notice the sounds in the space around you. Maybe you hear birds chirping, or someone mowing their lawn. Maybe you can hear a clock ticking. Just notice. Are there sounds behind those sounds that you wouldn't normally notice? Now you may notice thoughts popping into your head. It's totally normal. It's the job of your brain. Just notice that the thoughts are there, and when you're ready, you can return to the sounds around you and the sound of your breath as you exhale through your mouth. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. I hope you can take this feeling of calm with you throughout your day. Thanks for joining me.